Welcome back, guys. Today I want to show you how you can block adverts anytime you visit any website online. Maybe you are browsing and you see pop-up ads and the rest. You can actually block them using one particular app. I've shown you a particular method before, but today I will show you another app that you can use. To download the app, tap on your Chrome and search for AdGuard right here. Tap this. You see this. This is the app. This is the logo. This first one here. That's how the logo looks like. So you can download it from other websites. But actually, my recommendation will be that you head over to your Telegram, okay, and search for AdGuard or AdGuard. Okay, you can see different groups with the app. So I will download it from this particular group because it has been uploaded directly to Telegram. If you check, you can see this one will still lead you to another website, but this one is here. So once you are done downloading, you can now install it. Tap on it and install. Accept. Okay, give it some time, it will install. And once you are done installing, then we can proceed with the next step. Okay, so let's launch the application. Allow, ignore. Okay, accept this. If you wish, you can send this. If you don't wish, you can unselect this. So let's tap. AdGuard needs local VPN. Okay, you okay it. Once you okay it, if you wish, you can tune the app. If you don't, you start surfing. All right, you can see that the app is on. But quickly, let's test it so that you can believe if it is functioning or not. So let's turn it off first. Okay, let's head back to our browser. Let me type let's search for this. Okay, let's head over to GSM Arena. Okay, now watch. You see pop-up ads. Can you see ads here? You can see advertisement already. Okay, you can see adverts popping up already. So we want to block this advert so that you also save your data and save your battery. Okay, so let's go back. Let's head back to AdGuard. Turn it on. Okay, give it some moment. You see your notification bar. Block ads and trackers. Keep using. It is on now. Okay, so let's head back to our browser to confirm. You can see it's gone, right? You can see everything is blank now. The advantages include saving your data and then stopping unnecessary pop-up ads on your phone, and then it will also save your battery. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Like, subscribe and share.